Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make pastillas de leche. Pastillas de leche is a Filipino candy made of milk and sugar. Are you ready? Let's get started! We will need 4 cups of fresh milk, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of powdered milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. In a pan over medium heat, add the milk, stir it continuously with wooden spoon. Then add the sugar. Continue stirring until the sugar dissolves. And cook this until the consistency becomes thick. Once thick, add in the butter and turn off the heat. Add the powdered sugar and mix them together. After mixing, transfer it in a plate greased with a bit of oil and let it cool. Now, transfer it into the work surface. Cut it in half. Roll it to elongate. Cut it in half again. Roll it to elongate again. And cut it into 10 portions. Roll each portion into 2 inches long. coat it with sugar. Repeat the procedure with the remaining pastillas. And here's our finished product! Pastillas is milky, chewy, and so good. I hope you give it a try. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!